traders, welcome to another video from RLTR Group. So today we are going to talk about how the market is going to be behaving on Friday, that would be 26th of March 2021, and we'll also talk about the exciting day today and what it did all together. So firstly, I would want to tell you what Nifty did today, and what Banknifty did today was ultimately an FII and DII war. Okay, so the FIIs tried to pull the market down. The DIIs came into the buying mode, but then they couldn't sustain and it came down here. So what has happened here is this has actually created a big range. Now, do you remember that we have been following, our entire month of March was actually a big range on both calls and put sides, and all the candles were actually like Burj Khalifa. So what you see over here is something like that. So, we need to be very, very careful in markets like this, and preserving our capital should be the utmost importance, and we would need to keep that in mind. So before we go ahead, let me just go and tell you on a shorter time frame, I go ahead and see that this particular pattern that has been forming here with Bank Nifty. Now, if we go ahead, break this particular trend line, there are going to be a series of targets that we are going to get. So we are going to go ahead and discuss what would be our first target and how it is going to be reacting. Now, if market opens in between the structure, it will have to break the structure first. No matter on whichever side it breaks, it is going to go ahead and try to reach the immediate place that it has found the weakness from. So on the top side, we can see a 658 point rally if we go ahead break the structure by consolidating for more than a 15 minutes to an hour. Now, if we go ahead break this down, it is going to be as simple as taking a particular trade over here. So there is a big target zone that we have. We have somewhere around 600 points on the upside that we can move. We have some 460 points that we can move. The only way that we are going to be able to capture the momentum is by ensuring that this particular structure breaks tomorrow. So my first levels for all of you would be that tomorrow, if Bank Nifty breaks this structure, our first target is going to be 33,570, and then our second target would be right here. It would be somewhere around 33,983 after a bullish formation. And if we go ahead and come to the low, the first thing that I want to do is I want to see how the price is going to react at 32,400. And if that breaks, then there is going to be a big opening right at the bottom. And I'm going to be taking a lot of positional positions until 31,456. So I see another 100 points dip if we come down, and that would be on a positional basis. But on an intraday, these levels should suffice. So today we have not done anything on live trading because I'm out on a vacation. So I will only be back on Tuesday. But however, we will try to go ahead and get you your market analysis and give you a bit of an insight of what is going to happen. So tomorrow you can expect a video on our hedge strategy. You're going to get a video on the kind of risk management that we do, as well as momentum trading. So I hope tomorrow is a very successful day for you, and I hope you're able to do much with the analysis that I've made, and I wish you a wonderful day ahead. Thank you for subscribing to our channel. Have a good day. Bye-bye.